Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a tip while you're grinding idli and dosa batter. Never make just enough for one-time use when you're doing a meal prep. I grind a big batch of idli batter and then I freeze it in smaller containers. That is good for 1 year for one dinner or one breakfast. And each box, this I have frozen in yogurt containers that you get in the store. Each box holds 32 ounce of idli batter, and this will be good enough for you to make at least 20 idlis in your idli cooker. Once you grind the batter, you can use it 4 times, that is 4 weeks. If your family likes idlis more often, then you can make it more so often. So this will really make your life easy, and you will be really happy with the end result, because once you thaw, all the yeast and bacteria, you can call it whatever, gets reactivated, and your idlis will end up the same soft and fluffy as you make it out of fresh ground batter. I hope this tip was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.